Konnichiwa, Meemay desu. And for today's video, we will talk about the Japanese writing system. In the Japanese language, they are using three scripts, and these are hiragana, katakana, and kanji. Hiragana and katakana are what we call the kana, or the syllabaries that forms words. Both hiragana and katakana has 46 characters each, and each character has a unique sound. The hiragana is used primarily for Japanese terms like ohayo, arigato, and sumimasen. It's also used for grammatical elements such as desu, wa, ni, and no. Katakana characters are used for foreign words or names such as ana, Rondon, camera, apato, keki, basu, and computer. Kanji, on the other hand, is the most complicated of the three scripts. Kanji characters are used for native Japanese words such as Tokyo, Tanaka, Nihon, and Watashi. In learning the Japanese kanji, you have to remember that each character represents concepts or ideas. It came from Chinese characters and that there are over 50,000 characters. Now, let's look at the sentence and see how the characters are used. Here, the blue character is the kanji, and it's read as watashi. The black characters here are the hiragana characters, and wa is the subject particle, while desu is the V verb. The red characters here are the katakana characters for the word ana. And if we are going to translate the sentence literally, it would mean I, Anna, am. So that's it for today, and thank you for watching. Kindly click on the like button and subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so you'll get updated for my next videos. Ja, mata ne!